New York City's incoming mayor just claimed he can enforce international criminal law from City Hall, and the country is trying to figure out if he's serious or if this is the biggest overreach by a local official in years. Zohran Mamdani sat down for a post-election interview and said New York should operate as a city of international law, and that alone wasn't a headline, but what he said next is what ignited a national political storm. And it gets worse, folks. And nobody's talking about it. Mamdani went as far as suggesting that New York could enforce international criminal court warrants, including those aimed at foreign leaders, even when it's not allowed by the United States. So let me know this. Do you guys think the mayor has the power to enforce global law inside of the United States? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. But let's go ahead and get into what he says, what it means, and why the Trump administration is not taking this lightly. So my name's Tom. I'm with the Daily Beltway, and I'm also a White House correspondent for the Next News Network. And guys, we're a growing channel. Every like, comment, share, and subscription helps us reach more viewers across this republic. So give us a share. So Mamdani sat down for an interview on ABC7 and it raised eyebrows instantly. The mayor-elect insisted New York City could treat itself as a city of international law somehow, and that enforcing ICC warrants, even those aimed at world leaders, reflects the city's values. Let's go ahead and get into it.
You said you would arrest Benjamin Netanyahu based on the 2024 International Court Arrest Warrant. Next UN General Assembly, as mayor, would you do that?
So I've said time and again that I believe this is a city of international law, and being a city of international law means looking to uphold international law, and that means upholding the warrant.
Of course a socialist would say that. Oh, we're an international community. You guys are part of the United States of America with federal laws and a constitution that prevents and dictates what you can and cannot do.
From the International Criminal Court, whether they're for Benjamin Netanyahu or Vladimir Putin. I think that that's critically important to showcase our values. And unlike Donald Trump, I'm someone who looks to exist within the confines of the laws that we have. So I will look to exhaust every legal possibility, not to create my own laws to do so.
On the other hand, this is also a world event. Does that not count a little bit?
Well, I think we are a global city, but I also think what New Yorkers are looking for is consistency in the way in which we talk about our values and follow through on them. And that's why I think these warrants from the International Criminal Court, they are worth fully exploring every legal possibility to actually follow through on.
Okay, so his comments sparked immediate backlash because under our Constitution in the United States of America, foreign policy isn't a local option. It's a federal responsibility. And that's not a partisan claim, guys. It's a matter of law. So here's my question for you. Should any mayor claim authority to enforce global criminal warrants inside of the United States? Drop me your thoughts. And this is where it all changes. Mamdani framed his vision as moral leadership, saying New York should lead globally, not just locally. But critics argue that his position could drag the city into international standoffs and potentially violate federal supremacy. You think? Oh my goodness. Even some Democrats expressed concern that the idea is well-intentioned